Okay, so this is my little cubby that I have all of my Basebluecosmetics products, and I absolutely love these beautifully done lipsticks, and I just don't want them hidden like in the mix of all the others. So I wanted to come up with a creative way to store them where they're not in the box, where I can see them better and they were able to still show their absolute beauty. So I actually found these little guys on Amazon. They're actually really, really cute and detailed. It's kind of like a plasticky material. I'm not sure. I'm hoping my man can just drill a hole right down the center of them, and I can use that as its little stand, going with kind of, you know, the little theme of it. And I think that would look super, super cute. So let's hope for the best and see what he can do for me. So he's going to be using this drill press to go ahead and do the holes for me. One thing though I do want to point out is always safety first. He said that this is supposed to have like a clasp or something to hold this down, and he's using his hands, so he's being extremely careful. He's starting with a smaller bit, going to go to a medium-sized bit, and then finish it off with the larger size bit that should be the size that we are using. We also both have coverings over our face because you never know what you're breathing in, especially if you don't know the material. So always, always safety first. Protect yourself before anything. Here he is removing the smaller bit and putting in the medium-sized drill bit so he can make the hole a little bit bigger, so he can gradually build to the size that we're trying to achieve. Thank you, baby. You're doing a good job. I'm gonna have 3 more after this one.
So it's a 1/2 inch.
1/2 inch? Okay. Oh, right down the hole.
My bad.
And now he will be using the last and final bit for this, and it is the 1/2 inch.
This is very dangerous, just so you advise your people, because you're not supposed to hold this. You're supposed to just mount this.
You don't have a mount?
No, I'm holding it very carefully. I know what I'm doing. Tell your fans, just be careful. Don't hurt yourselves.
Messy little shit. Alright, let's check the hole. That's perfect. You can go down a hair. If not, then not, I mean, at least.
Yeah, you just gradually go down. Do this, just don't rush it. Just gradually do it. And don't breathe the fumes.
All that has been noted. Thank you, baby. Yeah, that's perfect. Thank you, baby. Cool. Now let's go get the other 3. So now he will repeat these steps doing the other 3. I made a little line on a stick and was sticking it down in there to make sure that they were pretty much almost even. They didn't need to be exact, but at least they're pretty much almost even. Okay, so this is them completed. One of them. One of them. Yeah, he didn't do quite in the very, very center. So it was like really stretching it by how big we had to go with these. But he did an amazing job, and it's going to look amazing just sitting there now. So let's get them in their new homes. That one, obviously, I will turn to the back, so you won't see it. You won't see that one. Okay, so that is the final outcome and how it looks. I have room to grow since they are going to be coming out with new palettes and new items all the time. I have room to grow with palettes, and now all of my lipsticks are displayed beautifully. And yeah, I'm loving it. I think they look so much better than them being just like sitting there in these boxes. And if I tried to put them in these, they would seriously fall to the side, and their pure beauty would not be recognized. So I think that looks so much better. And yeah, I'm actually really, really pleased with how it came out. I'm so glad he was able to get the holes and the correct size. He did amazing drilling the holes. It looks amazing sitting there. Comment down below and let me know, what do you think of the little stands? Do you think it looks better? Have you heard of Baseblue? Do you want to? You can definitely go check them out down below. The link will be below. Definitely comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew out.